Hello guys, what's up? I'm Taufiqur Rahman. Welcome to my programming channel. You see, this is one of my products on Code Canyon tutorial app with quiz. I hope that you have already bought it. And as part of video customization tutorials, I'm going to show you how can you customize the app. This is the feature list, and at the bottom of it, here is the documentation page. I have already opened it here, and this is our technical documentation. And my first video, I have shown you how can you see the project structure on Android Studio, and then I have shown you how can you change the content and quiz data. Here is the screenshot for contents, and this is the screenshot for quiz. And today I'm going to show you how can you change the icons like app icon, developer picture, etc. To change the app icon, you need to go to the drawable folder and you need to replace the iclauncher.png by yours. So let's open Android Studio and make sure that you have checked the project structure. And then this is our drawable folder, and let's find IC launcher. Here is our IC launcher. It is a 256 by 256 PNG image. You can replace it by your own. You can make a picture like this, or you can download free icons from flaticon.com. It is a very good site, and I have downloaded all of my icons from here. Let's search for tutorial, hit enter, and let's see what happens. There are several icons available for tutorials. Let's check it. Here is our icon. Let's select PNG, and for IC launcher we are going to select 256 by 256 PNG files. Let's click free download, and your download will be started in very soon. See, this is our icon. It's taking too long to show. You see, here is our icon. And to change all of the icons, you need to go to the drawable folder, and like for changing the developer picture, find icdev.png. Here is the developer picture, and you can change all of the icons from here. So for today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.